Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In today's video demonstration, I'm going to show you the showing tags on the Agile board. Alright, just a quick note before we start. I would like to say that you have to install both tags and Agile plugins onto your Redmine in order to have this feature and functionality. Alright, so firstly, when you go to the Agile board, you have to enable the tags appearing on it. So to do it, you have to expand the options here and then click on the tags. Afterward, you have to click on apply. Alright, we see that the tags are now appearing onto our board. If you would like to not always do these steps, you could actually save your board and just name it Agile board with tags, and then you have to do your configurations here. They are in accordance with your needs. Alright, so when we clear our board or go somewhere else into the Redmine and then return back to the Agile board, you could easily access it onto the right side here. So we see it Agile boards and Agile board with tags. So when we click, we see that it is opened automatically and instantly. Alright, so a very nice and good feature is that when you click on some tag, for example, front end here, and then you go automatically into the issues list, and all the issues are now filtered with this tag front end. So all these issues have this tag front end. So just to be 100% sure, we just add the tags as an available column and just click on apply. So we see that every of this issue has this front end tag here, and this is it. Okay, so the other feature that is concerning the tags and the Agile is that when you go to the backlog, you see that this feature is also available here. However, you have to repeat the steps with enabling it. So you have to expand the options and then click on tags and then apply. So here into the version planning board, we see also the tags that are appearing here. And again, if you like, you could also save this board and access it onto the right. So we see Agile version boards, and when you save the board, it will appear here on the Agile version board section. Okay, so again, we repeat the steps with the save button, and we name it, for example, Agile version planning board with tags, and then we click save, clear the board, and just scroll down and see it here into the Agile version boards section. So here it is, Agile version planning board with tags. So when we click on it, we see that it is automatically opened. Alright, so when we click again here on some tag, we see that the issues are filtered with this tag exactly. So tags is Agile, and when we again add this column, we see that all of these issues have the Agile tag in it. Okay, so these are the features that are including both tags and Agile plugins. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Thank you very much for watching it, and bye bye for now.